this is our candy red vinyl, part number vz10242. We're creating a little design here. So we went ahead and applied some knifeless tape. As you can see, you could drag this knifeless tape however you like. You want to make sure your knifeless tape is well attached to whatever surface you want to apply it to, and leave a bit of excess. So we're just gonna go ahead and peel off the vinyl from this white protection paper and apply some heat. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply more heat to make it more flexible. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off some excess. Make a slit here. I could bring it down easier. Vicrez vinyl is very forgiving, so it's pretty stretchable to get through areas like these. So after you're done applying your vinyl wherever you like, you want to go ahead and pass the heat gun on top of the knifeless tape and the vinyl. This is just flattening it down a little bit more. So you want to go ahead and flatten down the knifeless tape, and then you flip it over and you hold it down, and then you just pull. So after you're done cutting, you're gonna go ahead and take off the part you don't need. And do the top part. You're gonna take off the excess of the knifeless tape. Now you'll go ahead and pass heat and then flatten it out. Alright, so that's it. This was just a quick overview on how you could use your knifeless tape with Vicrez knifeless tape and vinyl. As you can see, it does give you a clean cut. Knifeless tape will follow any cut you want to design on your car. Remember, this vinyl part number is vzt10242.